Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So after some deliberation on some series that I wanted to do, if series is a word, yeah, we're sticking with it at this point. I was thinking about doing a series called Throwback Thursday. So the series that I ended up coming up with is actually Throwback Thursday, which I realized I did not coin. I get that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do tutorials and looks with palettes that are older, because I know a lot of people still have these items and not everyone has all the newest stuff. So it may not be the most popular series, but I think it might be helpful for some people who are trying to either do project pans or are trying to really shop their stash so they get some inspiration, I suppose, on things that we have had in our collections for some time, and just because they're old doesn't mean that they are bad products. So this video is going to be the first one, and I chose to use the Urban Decay Emerald palette paired with the Venus 2. Venus 2 is a little bit newer, especially newer to my collection, but this is actually a really great palette, and I know that a lot of people had used it in their project pans and had used it in their Pan-Net palette. So it was the first one I grabbed. It has a lot of the classic Urban Decay colors in it, and there is a variation of this still for sale now. So I did use this. If you wanted to see the look I came up with, which is the one I'm wearing, and how I got there, please keep watching.